Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome upper body workout. All right, simple, effective. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. Starting with our first exercise, we have big arm circles. All right, so for 30 seconds, I want you to go all the way up, around, and then over again. All right, really taking your time. All right, stretching, warming up, but also keeping in mind your posture, right? So we're not opening up our rib cage like this. We're gonna close our rib cage and just isolate our arms like so, all right? Super important for spine health, all right? So closing that rib cage, tucking in that tummy, tucking in that butt, all right? Very good. And taking your time, enjoying the movement, all right? 3, 2, 1, and other way, all right? Other way. Very good. So we were going back, now we're going forward. Breathing, very good. Pushing your shoulders away from your ears, all right? So when it comes up, we don't want to scrunch like this, we push away, all right? Very good. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next we have arm pulses, all right? So 30 seconds on the clock. We're gonna go here. So 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, coming together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then coming back down. Very good. Awesome job. Breathe, push those shoulders away from your ears, strong core. Awesome job. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next we have a mare favorite. You know what it is. We got monkey pumps and a bee. All right, hello. So monkey pumps, no bee, goodbye. Thank you for the visit. We have our arms out here, 90-degree angle. All right, we're gonna come together. So our palms flip facing us. All right, coming back out and then up. Alrighty, like so. Very good, 30 seconds. Let's get it. So squeezing your chest when they come in together. Very good. Open and then up, squeezing your shoulders together. Very good. Taking your time, your pace might be quicker than mine or even slower than mine. That's the beauty of 30 seconds, all right? You can do it at your own pace, just listen to your body. Very good. Breathing. Very important to deliver oxygen to your muscles. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next, we have an inchworm. You might want to get a mat or a towel, or if you're on a carpet, or if you don't mind putting your hands on the floor. All right, what we're going to be doing, feet hip width apart. I'm already put 30 seconds on the clock. All right, start up, and then you're going to come down. Very good. You're going to walk yourself out to a plank, and then walk yourself back in and reach up. So it's a little inchworm. We inch out and then back in. All right, very good. Inch, inch, inch. Plank, all right. Make sure you have a straight back. No coming down like this, all right. Making sure you have a nice straight back. Protecting your spine, very good. And if this is not for you today, go ahead and just come up and touch the floor and come back up, all right? Instead of inching forward, just kind of come back up and down, all right? And if that is not for you today, if that gives you vertigo or something like that, then go ahead and just do alternating ups and downs, all righty? If not, we're on inchworm. 3, 2, 1, and very, very good. That was set 1. Awesome job. Take a second, grab some water, catch your breath, and we're gonna do it again.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do, so I zip it, we just go straight through the routine. All right, big breath. Starting with our big arm circles backwards, and let's go. right, we're gonna switch to forward in 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. And moving on to arm pulses. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Monkey pumps. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Last but not least, inchworm. Gave you different variations in the first set. Big breath. Arms up. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Celebrate. Awesome job. 2 sets done. Dusted. Grab your water, catch your breath, and we're gonna crush set number 3. We're going to switch to forward in 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. And moving on to arm pulses. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Monkey pumps. Big breath. And let's go. it, shake it out. Last but not least, inchworm. Give you different variations in the first set. Big breath, arms up, and let's go. Celebrate. Awesome job. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of your upper body workout. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe, click the bell. What that does is it lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on anything, all right? And I hope to see you on the next one.